Hey guys, Kevin here from Connect Coffee Roasters. The influx in number of coffee drinkers over the years has seen an increase in number of coffee outlets in Kenya. Such includes Cafe Tigo, a coffee outlet located in the outskirts of Nairobi along Eastern Bypass.
My name is Jamal Sheikh Mohammed. I'm a barista trained at Connect Coffee. Cafe Tigo is a restaurant that serves and offers both coffee as well as other foods.
Connect Coffee is delighted to share a post-COVID-19 business-to-business support kit. The business-to-business features include: one is quality control. Businesses that use our coffee will receive full quality control without any compromise. This will include a decent discount on roasted coffee beans as well.
The Connect Coffee has helped us in maintaining our quality control as well as the standards for high coffee.
Secondly, training. Being a barista is more than just a career. It's an identity and experience of sharing passion with others. We include all foundations necessary to accommodate coffee enthusiasts at any level. Thirdly, free equipment maintenance. Being the exclusive distributors of Victoria Arduino in East Africa, we believe that this world-class equipment needs care it deserves. With this regard, we provide free maintenance for all Victoria Arduino equipments sourced from Connect Coffee. We are optimistic that this new kit will be instrumental in shaping the success of your business. For more information, visit our website, check out our social media handles, or contact us on numbers provided. Until next time, remember to stay safe and stay connected.